Hey guys, Elle here with the Droning Company, and we're with Kevin from the FAA to talk a little bit about what the FAA is doing out here and some important things that might impact you coming up. So Kevin, tell us a little bit about what you guys are here at the Expo doing and some topics that you guys are covering.
All right, excellent. Well, thanks for having me on your show. It's really exciting for the FAA to be here because this is one spot we can connect with a variety of unmanned aircraft system operators, from the smallest drones to the largest equipment out there. So what we've done is we bring in experts, people that literally work the paperwork for waivers, exemptions, air traffic authorizations, and we make them available to the public. So anybody that happens to be at the show can stop on by, talk to any one of our subject matter experts, and more than likely get their question answered right on the spot.
Got you. That is awesome. So if you guys are here at the show, make sure to stop by and get some information from their subject matter experts. Is there a question that you guys are finding the most common, or it's reoccurring as people stop by and talk?
I think the topic du jour this year seems to be about beyond visual line of sight operations. Everybody's very excited about where are we going to be in the next year or so with what we call BV loss. How is that going to work? What type of rules may need to come out? But how are we going to enable what drone operators and manufacturers are ready to do now? How does the FAA bring that into our airspace system? Safe, efficient, scalable, and repeatable. So a lot of beyond visual line of sight questions, how that's going to work, moving away from a waiver process into a normalized operation.
Got you. And that might lead us into the next question. Something that I personally don't know a lot about, but I know it's going to impact me as a pilot, is remote ID launching later this year. So what could you tell us to viewers who might know just a little bit about it, or someone like me who doesn't know anything about it yet?
Sure. So a remote ID is effectively a digital license plate for your drone. It provides some basic information about where the drone is, where the control station is, the altitude, velocity of the drone, so forth. And what it's designed to do is help us keep our airspace safe and efficient and secure. And it also provides a pathway for our UTM, our unmanned traffic management system, that's going to come out as we get into more normalized drone deliveries. I like to say that remote ID is no longer coming. Remote ID is here. September of 2022, manufacturers were required to start producing standard remote ID drones to be sold in the United States. But the big date that everybody is wondering about is September 16th, 2023 is the operational compliance date for remote ID. So that means if you have a drone and it requires registration, it's also going to need to broadcast remote ID, either through equipment built into the drone, which we call standard, or through an add-on equipment called a broadcast module.
Got you. Thank you. That's good information to know. What about anything else that you want to tell our viewers, or where can they find you if they want to look for more resources?
Yeah, so one of the things we do really well here at the FAA is our unmanned aircraft system website. We have a ton of information that's updated regularly. We also have 2 dedicated social media accounts, our FAA Drone Zone account on Twitter and the same account on Facebook. We have a UAS support center, so if you can't be at Xponential but you have a question, you can email us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and somebody will get that message and we can respond to you and help you out. So my biggest thing that I want people to understand is we're here to help. Please send us your questions because we're all in this together, and that's the only way it's going to work.
Awesome. Thanks so much for your time, Kevin. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.